In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pass a record ID into a Salesforce Screen Flow. If you're working within Salesforce and want to enhance your workflows or make them more dynamic, this could be the solution you're looking for. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Salesforce home by following the link provided, or simply logging into your account and heading to your home page. This is the central hub where you can access all the features and settings of Salesforce. Once you're there, locate the Quick Settings menu. This tool is accessible directly from the home screen and is your gateway to making more detailed alterations to your setup. Click on it to proceed. An option will appear called Open Advanced Setup. Click on this to delve deeper into Salesforce's customization options. With the Advanced Setup menu open, take a moment to find the Quick Find search bar. Here you'll want to type in Flows. This function is your shortcut to quickly navigate Salesforce's numerous options and find just what you need without having to scroll endlessly through menus. After searching for flows, you'll see Flow appear in the list. Go ahead and click on it. This will redirect you to the main page dedicated to managing and creating flows. Next, locate and click on New Flow. This is the button that allows you to launch the flow creation interface in Salesforce. Choose Screen Flow from the type of flows you can create. A screen flow is particularly useful for guiding users through various screens while allowing you to incorporate the record IDs dynamically. The next step involves opening up the toolbox settings within the Flow Builder. It's a useful panel that houses all sorts of resources and options that facilitate the flow creation process. Within the toolbox, click on New Resource. This is where you'll start inputting specific details about your flow. For your resource type, select Variable. A variable in Salesforce is a storage location for a dynamic piece of data, such as a record ID, that can be used throughout the flow. Give this variable a fitting name like Record ID. Naming conventions are crucial here for future reference or if someone else will be working on this flow later on. Now let's focus on the data type. You'll want to choose text here. This step is crucial because Salesforce needs to know the nature of the data it's handling with this variable, and the record ID is indeed text. Moving on. Consider the option for availability outside the flow. This setting decides whether variables can be accessed elsewhere in Salesforce. It's worth checking if your particular use case requires this, although often it's best to leave it enabled for broader flexibility. Next, if necessary, you'll see a checkbox to make the variable available outside the flow. Check this if your situation requires it. Lastly, after ensuring all these settings align with your goals, click on Done. This final click saves all your work and your flow is now ready with the capability to pass a record ID effectively. By following these steps, you can unlock new potential in your Salesforce workflows, making them smarter and more precise.